It's a certified 2021 Cadillac Escalade ESV for a life well lived and every expectation fulfilled. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. V8 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, automatic parking sensors, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, heated steering wheel, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today. Call us today at 754-220-1690.